Today we are unboxing the Ultra-S Prog programmer from WEIXY Electronics. The Ultra-S Prog is a high-performance programming tool designed for professional technicians, combining chip read or write, cluster calibration, airbag repair, key cloning, and body module data processing into one all-in-one solution. Core functions: chip read or write, cluster calibration, airbag repair, key cloning, all-in-one solution for vehicle modules. The product is fully sealed in shrink wrap to ensure it arrives in perfect condition. Each package has a unique serial number SEN printed on it for traceability and authenticity verification. Peel off the outer shrink wrap and open the box. You'll find the device itself is also individually sealed for extra protection. This double-layer packaging design fully protects the device from any damage during shipping. The device body is made of PC and ABS material, well crafted with a solid premium feel. The front panel features the WEIXY brand logo and the Ultra-S Prog product name printed clearly. 3 status indicator lights let you monitor the device's operating status at a glance. Power light power, active light active, error light error. The device comes with 3 ports: DB25 pin port for connecting various adapters and cables, power port for external power supply, USB port for connecting to a computer and communicating with the software. The unique serial number SEN. Here is everything included in the box with your Ultra-S Prog purchase. Every accessory has passed strict quality control to ensure perfect compatibility with the device. EEPROM Clip clips directly onto chips on a PCB board for easy read or write operation. EEPROM Adapter connects directly to the Ultra-S Prog device. Supports soldering chips onto the adapter, or use it with the EEPROM Clip to connect to a PCB board, flexible and versatile. USB cable for connecting the programmer to your computer. V850RH850 adapter features high-quality silver wire construction with solid craftsmanship, equipped with a decryption board at the cable end for precise targeting of the chip. MCU Adapter also features high-quality silver wire used to connect unencrypted MCU type modules, covering a wider range of vehicle models and chip support. That covers everything included with your Ultra-S Prog purchase. Next, we'll walk you through the software download and installation process. Once you receive the device, follow the steps below to download and install the software. Visit our website, www.auto-chips.com. Search for Ultra-S Prog in the search bar and click into the product page. On the product page, you can view and download the full compatibility or support list. The product page provides 2 software download links. Link 1, Mega Download Link. Link 2, Dropbox Download Link. Click Link 1 to go to the Mega website. Then click Download. The software will begin downloading automatically. If you prefer Dropbox, go back to the product page. Click Link 2 and click Download. Once downloaded, locate and open the Ultra-S Prog Setup installation file. Double-click the icon to begin installation. If Windows shows a security warning, click More Info, then click Run Anyway. On the installation page, scroll down to carefully read the Ultra-S Prog disclaimer. Once you fully agree, check I accept the agreement and click Next. Choose your preferred installation path and click Next. Keep the Create Desktop shortcut option checked and click Next. Click Install. The software will begin installing automatically. Installation complete. Important: before launching the software, make sure the programmer is powered on and connected to your computer via the USB cable. Find the Ultra-S Prog icon on your desktop. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Once inside the software, you can check the device connection status and view the unique serial number. Select the desired function module from the left side menu. For example, click Options to browse supported module types, such as instrument clusters, airbags, and more. Using Airbag Repair as an example, navigate as follows. Airbag, Tesla, 151287600E, R7F701330. Click OK. In the module operation interface, click the diagram to view the wiring diagram. All wiring diagrams are high-definition real photos. Zoom in for detailed reference. Solder the adapter to the target module according to the diagram. Once soldering is complete, insert the adapter into the Ultra-S Prog programmer. When everything is ready, click the Reset button in the upper left corner to begin automatic diagnosis and repair. We'll continue to publish more real-world case tutorials. Stay tuned. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime.